So if you are growing your beard out, you might be wondering whether or not you actually need to use any product, so any beard care products in your beard. And I thought, let's talk about that today. Let's talk about whether we actually need any sort of beard care in our product. Wait, I fucked up. So, if you have just started growing out your beard, or if you've been growing out your beard for quite some time now, you might still be a little bit unsure about this whole beard care business. In the last sort of year, 2 years, probably going back sort of 6 years though, but in the last couple of years, there's been an absolute explosion of beard care products everywhere. Wherever you are in the world, you can get your hands on some beard care products. But do you actually need them to grow a beard? For me, you don't need these beard care products to grow a beard. Now, the reason I'm saying that is just think about the cavemen. The many men for hundreds and thousands of years that have grown beards out. They weren't dabbing some beard oil across their face. They weren't balming it up to give it that wedge look. They weren't using mustache wax to get some curls. Actually, some of them were, but you don't need it. You don't need it to grow a beard. Your beard will just grow naturally. It's a natural thing. You don't need product to grow your hair anywhere on your body. I mean, some people use, stuff from the doctors to grow hair, but that's completely different. We're talking about beard care right now. So no, you don't need beard care at all to grow your beard. But the question is, should you use beard care products? For me, it's a yes, and it's a yes for 3 reasons, which we're gonna cover in just a moment. But first off, I want to talk about one thing, and that's question of the day, which is a new segment on pretty much every episode we're going to do now. So my question to you, and this question is, what are your biggest challenges right now when you are growing your beard out? So what are you struggling with? What's causing you issues? Let me know, and let the Beardster community know by commenting below with your question, and I just hope all of you can help each other out. I'll jump in on the comments and we're just trying to help one another out. But let's talk about 3 things now as to why I think you need beard care products. Number 1 is that it keeps your beard soft. So having a soft beard is pretty important just for you, because this beard can get a little bit unruly. Right now it's feeling pretty soft. I'm using a beard oil from West Cork Beard Company that's full of argan and jojoba oil. It's lovely and golden, and it's just left my beard feeling incredible, and it's soft. I combed it with no issues. There was no snags. It got out any tangles pretty easily. I had already washed the beard using a beard wash from Bedfordshire Beard Co. So this morning, and I mean, like, I've just had a shower and stuff in the last sort of half an hour, those beard care products have already made this beard a lot more manageable. Like when I woke up, it's a bit all over the place. It's made it look a little bit neater already. But also having a softer beard that's free of tangles, free of curls, and all that sort of stuff is also good for your loved ones. That's pretty much it. Like, I want a soft beard for those sort of reasons as well. Now, the second reason I recommend using beard care products is because of the skin beneath the beard. You might have noticed, especially if you haven't used any sort of beard care product at all yet, that your skin is getting a little bit dry, a little bit flaky, a little bit irritable and itchy under the beard. It's kind of obvious why, because it's so hard for any product or anything that you might be using to get to the actual skin, because you've got this massive beard, or even if it's a short beard, like there's a layer of protection, there's a layer of hair in the way. Like, you shampoo your hair, at least I imagine you do, and the reason you do that is to clean like the scalp and stuff of all like the crap that builds up, and you're kind of doing the same with beard care products. Number 3 is for style. It's to give the beard that final look. So for me, I think it's really important that if you're growing out the beard or the mustache, you're doing it to look good, to feel confident, because you think that it gives your look a slight edge. It makes you look a little bit better. If you're already doing that with your hair, you probably put in like a pomade, a clay, some paste, some gel, wax, whatever in it, and you can do the same to your beard. I recommend trying out a butter or a balm, or both, just to give that beard a bit of hold. So they're the 3 reasons I think that you should use beard care products. Let me know if there are any other reasons you think that you should use beard care products. And also, if you don't actually use beard care products, let me know in the comments. It'd be great to know. Like, I haven't always used beard care products. It's sort of been for the last 5-6 years, and I had a beard. It was pretty shit though, the beard that is. A year or two before, and I didn't use anything. But I kind of got into it through DIY beard care and things like that. So yeah, let me know. I'd be real interested to know. Answer the question of the day, and if you got any value out of the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you very soon, guys. Goodbye.